Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction, my name Muhammad Firji Surinopal from PMTKB. Now, let's begin. Yes, today we will discuss the comparison. Comparison is one of the topic in math. Some math problem can be solved by applying the concept of comparison. For example, there are problems as follows. In a running competition, Andi and Edo complete for first place. If Adi runs kilometer in 2 minutes and Edo run at 12 kilometer in 40 minutes, who will reach and finish line first? Their problem can be solved by applying of concept comparison. The following will explain the definition of comparison. Definition of comparison. Comparison in mathematics can also calculate ratio. Then what is ratio or a ratio? Comparison ratio is technique or a way of comparing two quantity. Writing the ratio or comparison can be written is A in B or A or divided by B, where A and B are two quantity that have the same unit. Next will be explained of the application of comparison every day. There are many applications of comparison in everyday life. Written scale and on the map is an application of comparison. Then when we are going to make bread, there is usually a mixture of flour, dough, and tapioca flour. For example, ratio is 2 in 1, meaning that to make bread, 2 part flour and 1 part tapioca flour we are need. Next we will learn about comparison. What comparison? The profession of fuel is also known as profession. A word comparison implies to equal ratio. So it can be explained simple that a comparison of word is a statement which states that two ratios are the same. An example of a fuel comparison is the ratio and amount of flour to the number the bread made. The more bread is made and vice versa. Next, we will explain about comparison turning points. The written comparison is between two variables. For example, the ratio between the gear size of motorization engine and speed. Small motor engine gear size will produce large speed and vice versa. Next will be explained about thread comparison. A star-stated comparison is one that involves more than one comparison. Example, the problem related of multi-level comparison. For example, the ratio of Abdul and Benny's marbles is T in 5, while the ratio of Benny's marble to Chico is 4 in 3. To solve this problem, it is necessary to determine the ratio of or ratio to marble Abdul, Benny, and Chico. Next, we will explain how to calculate comparison. How to calculate comparison. The way that can be done to calculate the comparison is follow. Make a model of the problem to be solved. Determinant of the type of comparison be completed. The type of comparison can be a well comparison, a result for comparison, a startup comparison, or any other type. Set up equal and calculation their comparison to determine the information you want to define using the comparison formula. In the formula secretion, several comparison formula will be distracted. Nah, Comparison formula. For problem regulation comparison, make a model a tabular form to make it easier to understand the problem. The comparison table can be a table like this below. Variable 1, A1, A2, and variable 2, B1, B2. From this model, an equation or formula can be drawn to solve comparison. 1. What comparison formula? A1 divided by A2 equal B1 divided by B2. 2. Will represent comparison formula. A1 divided by A2 equal B2 divided by B1. In addition to comparison formula, there are also comparison formula for amount and difference. Total comparison formula. The number object actual number of no ratio be divided by ratio multiplied by number of no object. 4. Different comparison formula. Different object actual difference in uno ratio multiplied by number of no object. In order to better master the comparison material, consider the following sample equation. Number 1. Hendra ride motorcycle. Hendra ride a motorcycle for 32 km and consume 4 liter gas oil. If Hendra has 5 liter gas, then how far can they travel? For this problem, a problem can be made as follows. Fuel 4 liter, mileage 32 km. 7 liter, mileage X. This problem is a matter of word comparison, so that 4 divided by 7 equal 32 divided by X. So move into note. X equal 7 multiplied by 32 divided by 4 equal 56. So distance can be compared by Hendra will 7 liter of gas oil is 56 km. Number 2. A job if done by 8 people will be complete in 19 days. If work is done by 12 people, how many days will work be done? The answer. The answer from this problem, a problem model can be made as follows. Many workers, 8 people, time 20 days, 12 people, time X days. This problem is problem of comparison against a file, so that X divided by 12 equal X divided by 18. Move into note. X equal X multiplied by 18 divided by 12 equal 12 days. So this with 12 people, the job will be done in 12 days. Number 3. The ratio of number of marble Andika and Bona is 2 and 3. Well, the ratio of number of marble Bona and Chico is 2 in 5. If the number of marble there is 75, determine the number of marble Andika, Bona, and Chico. Nah, the model of problem mainly is A in B equal to in 3, B in C equal to in 5. So A in B and C equal 4 and 6 in 15. The sum of ratio equal 4 plus 6 plus 15 equal 25. Lot Andika marble 4 divided by 20 25 multiplied by 75 equal 12 marble. Load of Bona marble 6 divided by 25 multiplied by 75 equal 8 equal is 18 marble. A lot of Chica marble is 15 divided by 25 multiplied by 75 equal 45 marble. So the number of Andika, Bona, and Chica marble is 12, 18, and 45 respectively. The next number. A showmaker is able to complete an order for 84 days with 28 workers. Though in increasing demand, work must be complete in 56 days. How many workers need to adapt for the job to be complete in 56 days? The answer: just like about piece of all, we make a mathematical model entered in form of picture or equation. In the problem above, we will create a mathematical model if number of workers need using of concept on comparison. However, the comparison concept is different. In this problem, the comparison concept is linear. This means that the processing speed remains the same for both 84 days and 56 days. Thus, the form of comparison is follow: worker 1 divided by worker 2 equal total day 1 divided by total day 2. So 28 divided by x equal 56 divided by 84. 56x equal 20x divided by 84. So we get x is 42. The total number employed need to work on us in 56 days is 42 employees. Meanwhile, currently the sauce maker has as many as 28 workers. Thus, the net for additional worker is 42 minus 28 equal 15 workers. Next, mother makes 10 cake pan and net flour. One day, mother went to make 15 cake pans. How much flour do you need? The answer problem is we can use flour ratio to solve it. The process is the same as problem number 1. We need to make a mathematical model. First, we make to easier to understand. 10 pan, then egg flour. 15 pan, then yeast flour. So 1 pan divided by 2 pan equal 1 flour divided by 2 flour. 10 divided by 15 equal 8 divided by y. 10 y equal 20. 15 egg multiplied by egg. So we get y equal 12. The mother need a make to make 15 cake pan is 12 flour. Number 2. A bus traveling from the city M to O to city of M to O take 2 hours at speed of 9 km/h. If the bus want to be 30 minutes faster, then speed should the bus be? The answer is the problem, we can use the pool of ratio to solve it. The process is the same as problem number 1. We need to make sorry. Nah, the answer is ratio can to be used again solve this problem. We can create a mathematical model as below. 2 hours, then 16 km in hour. 105 hour, then 5 km an hour. 2 hour divided by 105 hour equal 5 km an hour divided by 16 km in hour. So 105 V equal 60 multiplied by 2. Now we get V equal 18 km in hour. If the bus want to return 30 minutes faster, then the bus speed must be 18 km in hour. Nah, the last number. At later one, a tight trailer can make 50 pair of clothes in 20 days. One day the trailer get order of 75 pairs of clothes. How long does take it a trailer? The answer to do this problem, we can use the sample ratio. So that the solution is below. 15 pairs, then 20 days. 75 pairs, then M day. 17 multiplied by 750 multiplied by 75 equal 20 divided by M. Now 50 M equal 75 multiplied by 2. From that we get M is 30. The trailer can piece 75 pairs of clothes in 30 days. Now, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.